Welcome to Chicago Surplus Computers. We are an R2V3 certified ITED company, helping businesses safely retire their IT assets while ensuring data security, environmental responsibility, and value recovery. Let us take you behind the scenes to show how our dedicated team makes this process smooth, secure, and fully compliant.
Chicago Surplus Computers operates 3 international facilities in the USA, Ghana, and Tanzania, helping organizations worldwide manage IT assets responsibly.
At Chicago Surplus Computers, we make sure your IT equipment is collected safely using GPS-tracked trucks and locked containers. Every item is labeled and tracked from pickup all the way to our certified facility. Once equipment arrives, we focus on data security. Drives that can be reused are wiped clean using approved methods, while damaged ones are shredded. For every device, we provide a certificate of destruction, so you always have complete proof and peace of mind.
This process is called IT Asset Disposition, or ITAD. It ensures your retired IT equipment is handled securely, sustainably, and in compliance with global standards.
When your equipment arrives, we immediately scan and register each item in our system. We match asset tags, verify serial numbers, and update our secure database to ensure every device is tracked throughout the process.
After the data destruction process, we evaluate the remaining value of your equipment. We identify resale opportunities and offer revenue sharing to our clients wherever possible. It's our way of turning your retired technology into financial return for your business. Chicago Surplus Computer does have international locations. We have one R2V3 facility in Lombard, Illinois. We have an R2V3 facility in Dubai, and we have 2 locations in Africa, one in Ghana and one in Tanzania.
Our technicians refurbish eligible devices and prepare them for resale in domestic and global markets. This not only extends the product life, but it also reduces e-waste, supporting a true circular economy.
Our client receives detailed audit reports and access to a live dashboard. From change of custody, records of environmental metrics, everything is transparent and available in real time to support your ESG goals.
Being R2V3 certified means every step of our process meets the highest global standards for data security, environmental protection, and worker safety.
Our entire process is built on security, transparency, and value. From collection to data destruction, refurbishment to reporting, our teams handle our every steps with care and precision. At Chicago Surplus Computers, we don't just dispose, we protect, recover, and transform. Let's work together to make your IT assets retirement smarter and more sustainable.
At Chicago Surplus Computers, we don't just dispose, we protect, recover, and transform. Let's work together to make your IT asset retirement smarter, more sustainable, and greener for the future.